my way to ColdWater Hills, which is like Beverly Hills. It's pretty much off the ColdWater exit off the 101, but it's going up on ColdWater past Ventura, going up the hills. It's like the Beverly Hills of Beverly Hills, I guess. But it's the hills of Beverly. So here we are driving up, and it's all forest and nature. It's pretty cool. So we're going to fix an iPhone 6s space black, space gray, and it's from my previous customer Judy, who's an attorney, or I think she's a pastor or something. But anyway, so we're there, almost there. Actually, we're only like 8 minutes away, so we should be getting 2.6 miles, which is awesome. And we'll just show you how it drops and how it goes down. So stay tuned for some cool action. And she has 2 cool kids. If they're awake, you'll see them. They're like cool kids, they're the smartest ones. So anyways, guys, so we'll see you guys there, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon. Peace, cut. Hey guys, we are here. Look how crazy it is. It's like all the mountains, and you see like you hear it's like all quiet and scary. Out here. Pretty spooky. Look at that house on the right, guys. Last time when I got here, it was just being built, and now it's done. Look at that beautiful house. You see it? It's like futuristic house. Big wall. It's amazing. Me likey. Almost there, guys. 600 feet to best. What up? What's happening? Almost there. Wow. Big old place. I think we are almost here. Look at this house. It's so good. Nice house. I think it's this one. Too nice for not this one. This one. I'm gonna park right here because I can. Okay. I'm gonna put my emergency brake on. Where's that? Over here. We are here, and we're about to drop this and make another history. See you guys over there. I just got music in their background, and at the time lapse, I just forgot to turn it on. My brain is somewhere else. Busy weekend. Okay, so
it's 80, right?
No, I gave you a discount. Now it's 70.
Oh, thank you.
So you get a little more. Just for being loyalty. Loyalty is appreciated.
Your assistance is appreciated.
Of course. Actually, it's so funny. On my way here, I'm going to the house where they have the brilliant kids, and hopefully they are awake, and you'll see them. So when you see this vlog, it's vlog 135, you will see that speech actually being said. Okay. Okay. All good. Thank you, sir. Enjoy. Hey guys, we just finished that phone, and I was fixing Judy's husband's phone, Kami, and he's such a nice guy. He said thank you like a million times. I felt bad. I was like, if anything, thank you for always calling me for anything that goes wrong with your family and friends. And they at least have referred me like at least like 10 customers already, so they're really super nice people and care a lot about everyone, so that's very, very appreciated in my line of work, because it's all about the word of mouth, and that's what I aim for. guys go beyond and above and beyond to make sure that I get all my, just for everyone to know about me pretty much. So now I'm exiting. I have to go down the hill and find my way home, which is not hard. I have my GPS in my car. Just gonna hit home and the rest will just be easy. Home, there you go. And I know where I live.
The route guidance
Okay
will
guys,
start
that's
now.
about it. Thank you for watching this for this Phon-Er RE Gold vlog 135, and that should conclude. This was an iPhone 6 and it was done in Beverly Hills, ColdWater Hills, kind of on that street, but it's Beverly Hills by city. So anyways guys, thank you for watching this Phon-Er RE Gold vlog 135, and that will conclude, and that will be a wrap. Peace.